So this is the $15 million house that I'm staying here in Madrid. Been here for about 2 weeks. I forgot how America's like, honestly. This shit's fire. This is probably one of the craziest Airbnbs I've ever stayed, because I've stayed in houses all around the world. So let's go check it. So I've been on this side of the world probably for about 2 weeks, and I'm already gonna be on this side probably for another month and a half. We're going to London, Africa, Dubai. I'm gonna be staying in the craziest Airbnbs, so if you wanna see more houses like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button. This is probably one of the most beautiful houses I've ever stayed in myself. I live in a house that is probably a 1/10 of this one. It's literally like half that right there, which is fine. So this house has indoor pool, outdoor pool, gym, sauna, steam room, everything. You're probably wondering, how do I afford this house? Well, it's with trading. And you guys might think I'm gonna show you right now that I made $1 million. I actually lost $68,000 in the last 2 days that I've been here, because I'm not used to the time zone. So this is plus 6 or 7 hours from Miami. So trading in London is like trading New York here. New York is London here. But that's not what this video is about. This video is about this fucking crazy ass house. So let's go. The guy that lives here and owns this house, can I say who I think it is?
Pretty sure by the time we say this, we're long gone.
Yeah, it's definitely a Colombian. So you guys can do your math. You guys can add it. Literally, there's bulletproof doors, bulletproof window, escape rooms. You can do the math on who you think owns this house. So the first thing you see when you come through the backyard is this pool. Now, this is a ginormous pool, but it's not an outdoor pool. It's actually an indoor-outdoor pool. So it actually goes like right into the house, right into the middle of the living room, and like this whole spa section that they have here. That room up there is actually my room, master bedroom. I've been staying here for 2 weeks. I love it. So coming in through here is the spa. You might hear a little bit of echo, but it's like the waterfall that they have going on here. Where are the lights? Oh, there you go. All right, so these are the lights, which is pretty fucking sick. So you come over here and you have the pool that pretty much goes from outside to literally inside. So right now we have the cage down. I don't know why, it makes no sense. There's a running waterfall. And then this actually goes to one of the 6 living rooms that this whole entire house has. And then you also have like a little alley way that way, which is like where one of the other offices are. Super sick. You have hot plunge, cold plunge. So when you get out from the jacuzzi, you go right into the cold plunge and do the back and forth. Sauna, which is probably one of the hottest saunas that I have ever gone into my whole entire life. We have a steam room that it says no utilizar. Can't use it, it's broken, it's broken. Okay, and this entire area almost feels like a resort. As you come out here, you have steam room, sauna, jacuzzi, and then you have these bathrooms. Well, these fucking bathrooms make you feel like you're in like a spa shower area. You literally have these, like, look at that shit. What the fuck is that? Like, how many shower heads? Look, what is that? 6 shower heads. I don't know, doesn't make sense. This whole entire house has like an indoor, outdoor vibe, the whole entire house. So this is what we just left right now, which is the sauna. So right here, there's literally like 4 rooms that way. There's 2 rooms that way. Craziest shit ever, right? You come out this way, and then literally that way, it's just like a never-ending journey of, I don't know what the fuck. I've seen a bunch of Airbnbs, but this shit is crazy. Look up. You literally can see never-ending stairs to the upside, never-ending stairs to the downside. You have a pool table down there. Craziest thing ever. So you're about to enter my favorite spot in the house, and where I have spent the majority of the time. So this is the pool, the indoor-outdoor pool. Pretty cool how you can see it right here. And then we're here, which is my office. So this is pretty much where I've been working for the last 2 weeks. It's a very rustic, old school vibe that I've never really been into. But being here, I like it, because I pretty much got accustomed to this whole entire area. And it's something new. And you look over here, and you're probably wondering what the fuck this is. Do I look short? Are you making me look short? Yeah, I'm 6'2", right? So this right here is the winery. So this is the person that fucking built this shit literally put up, I think it was like 200 bottle winery. Pretty much go down the stairs right there. I actually haven't even been in here. Yo, this is kind of fucking sick if you ask me, bro. Damn, it's actually kind of chilly in here. Look at this guy, look at this. All right, so this is the winery, right? So this is the winery down second here. When I build my house in the next 2 years, I'm gonna do this. This is pretty cool. Going up this way, you have the gym. So this is that's on underground level 3, I think. So it's pretty much a whole entire gym. You have everything you need. Go in and out, cold plunge, hot tub, and then Sí, por favor. Okay, ladies, pretty lit. So you have hot plunge, cold plunge, sauna, steam room, then full blown gym. Coming this way, you have living room. You have demo trader 1, demo trader 2. So this is pretty much, it's like the 3rd living room. You have a dining table there, pretty much just my entire living room here. There's like another path to the outside, which looks pretty cool. So yeah, literally in this house, I've been staying with the whole entire team for the last 2 weeks. We got the legend Sensei, the biggest demo trader of them all. So, all right, for those of you guys that don't know.
So don't forget, baby.
Yeah, but tell them about the challenge.
So we're doing a challenge for 100K. I already won, but it is a fitness challenge. Whoever gets the best abs in 2 months.
Okay, show them your abs right now. Okay, so that's Sensei's abs right now, right? So we bet $100,000, whoever's gonna have the most abs from 2 months from yesterday, right? Let me show them, but you can't, so I'm not letting him see my abs. Who do you think won?
Easy money, baby.
All right, whatever. All right, so coming this way, so if you see that way, that house is literally shit. I'm talking about, there's like 10 rooms that way. And then there's still another floor, and then 2 floors under. So make sure you watch around to stick this whole entire video, because this shit is lit. Yeah, I'm gonna take this guy's money, bro. This guy fucked up. We really bet $100,000 on it. So coming over here, you have a living room, the formal living room. You have the door, which you always sleep with the door open just in case somebody wants to come in, take the watch. Door's open, you can take it. We have all of our camera gear, lights and stuff. We do like portable podcasts all the time. But coming this way, it's going to be office number 2. And remember, I'm 6'4". Look how big this fucking door is. Like, this is literally a ginormous door into the office. There's no doorknobs, there's no locks. You just kind of push it and you go right in. So coming to this area is going to be office number 2. So this is pretty much, I guess, the more open one, because you can see people if they were to come in. You can look right over the living room. You can look right into the pool, sauna, jacuzzi. You can look right into the kitchen from here. You can look right outside, pretty much everywhere. And then obviously you have your stuff. This is where Sensei has been trading the majority of the time. And I don't know what the hell this is, but it pretty much controls the whole entire house from this area. That tells me to leave at the owner of the house. This is his office, because he controls pretty much everything through there. So coming this way, little bathroom over here. Oh, this is the weirdest thing ever. I don't know if you guys have ever experienced this shit, but whoever uses, there's a square fucking toilet. Honestly, if I were to do anything on a square toilet, I wouldn't want to flush it. Yeah, so this is like a square faucet as well. I don't get it. But then it moves. Finding the escape route, I'm not asking any questions. So coming to the outside over here, I look-y wish we would have done this a little bit earlier, but we leave tomorrow. So I just decided to do this really quick. This is the outside of the house in the front. All right, so coming this way, you have pretty much all these different sectors of the house, which look kind of cool because you can literally see how like the kitchen, living room 25, guest room 17 are all divided in different sectors. Then you have the underground level, super sick. Come over here, you kind of have this whale thing. I don't know what this means. Maybe this guy was a big crypto guy and he was a whale and he moved the market. That's why he has this whale tail here. I have no questions, I have nothing to say. I want to see something really cool that I thought was really unique. So this is the front of the house. When you come out to the front, you have this right here. This right here is going to be a double-sided mirror. So security, when they stay here at night, pretty much just post up in here with the double-sided mirror that they can see right out. So you can literally see right out to the section here if anybody were to come into the house. This is kind of like, I wouldn't want to say random, but it has a whole ass playground.
How we were letting people in take our watches.
They gotta get past security first. We can't just make it easy, you know what I'm saying? Like, if you get past security, then fuck it, you can just take it, you know? Security's trash. Security's right there, you see? All right. So this area over here is like the outdoor playground area. It's kind of confusing what this is. I'm not really trying to walk over there because it's dark, scared of the dark. Can you zoom in over there for me? I don't gotta walk over there. You got like a playground, swing, bunch of shit. And then you have the garage. So that garage over there is where they keep like supercars or something. They're not letting us go in there, so they're lucky I don't got the keys. Now I take the cars. But yeah, the house goes on that way for a really big space. This is the whip we've been using lately. Suzuki. Kidding, it's not the car, clean lady's car. So something that I really do like about the house is gonna be like the indoor-outdoor vibe. Like you always feel like you're in the house, but you also feel like you're outside the house. So now I'm gonna show you guys the other guest rooms, the master bedroom, and then the rooftop. I completely forgot we had a fucking rooftop. All right, so we just obviously came through this bottom section over here. We already saw the gear. So this is dining table section 3. There's also a bigger one outside, which actually I completely forgot to show you guys. But love this section right here. You can sit 10 people. Awesome. Coming over here, we've had a chef for the last 2 weeks. The best thing I could have ever done. Chef has been absolutely cooking it in here, fucking shit up, making breakfast, lunch, dinner, and also snacks, juices, everything. So I like how this is sectioned off, because if we're having a private dinner, we can close that door, and then we can close that door, and then none of the smell gets out. There's no interaction between the kitchen and what's going on outside. Coming over here, we got like a little breakfast table area. Coming over here, we have living room 10 with bathroom 25, and then you have kind of this chill section, another dinner table or coffee table, whatever section you want to call this. You have these super dope ambient lights, which is pretty much what the whole house consists of, these ambient lighting. And then you have a treadmill, which is what I've been using for the last couple of days. You have this outdoor section here, which is really, really cool, which we actually haven't used. Coming to this outdoor section, you have another table to pretty much eat, do whatever you want. You have guest room 6, I think this one is, which is actually really cool because you have this whole patio to yourself. Well, actually, there's another room over there, but you have it to yourself. Oh, you have this area here. I forgot to show you guys. So this is definitely a party house. Whoever owns this shit definitely goes crazy. Because look, they literally have a whole bar area. Okay, that's a whole bartending table. And there's a whole DJ section or dance floor section that they just created specifically for that. Oh, over there, but we forgot to show the fucking vegetables. They like grow shit over there. I don't know what they grow, but they're growing something. So this is obviously a really nice area. It's like the second time I've actually been out here. So many other places in the house. This right here, let me make sure I don't hit myself with the glass. So this is actually the filmmaker's bed. This is where he's been sleeping for the last 2 weeks.
Thank you, man. Super appreciated.
You're welcome, bro. That's what you deserve, man. For 3 years of hard, long work. Keep doing it, and then you'll get a...
I get a blanket.
Yeah, you get a blanket. All right. Moving on this way. More rooms that way. Whatever. Just show them. Do you have a mess in your room?
I mean, I'm a filmmaker.
What does that mean? Oh my God.
Dude, this is probably the most organized.
All right. So this is clearly not my room. This is filmmaker room. So you guys can see this is this looks like a lab. Look at this. You have a bunch of fucking, you look like a hacker, bro, with all this fucking gear. But it's kind of cool. It has this corner section. You can see more into like the playground area and the garage with the supercars. We can't even show them the bathroom. Don't even do that.
Bathroom's actually pretty clean.
This area over here, same exact thing. This is this chief of marketing's room. Let's see how this room is. Wow, would you look at that? Chief of marketing room. Look how clean this is. So I have one of my chief of marketers that I always bring out with me when I travel. Look how well organized this guy is. This is why you're gonna keep.
Why?
Yeah, I do wonder why.
Maybe because he's not a filmmaker.
What does it have to do with anything? Oh, we're gonna show you guys Sensei's room. Have you seen the Kai Cenat thing? LeBron James! You know what I'm talking about?
Michael Jordan!
LeBron James! LeBron James! This is the Sensei's room. So you guys have an idea how this guy travels? This guy travels with 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 bags. Is he a woman or is he a man? Women travel with a lot of shit. Hey, see it. All right, so continuing this way. Sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah.
All right. So continuing this way, I'm gonna show you guys my room right now, which is fucking crazy because my room has a bulletproof door. So this section right here, go downstairs to the spa. Oh, bro, we have to go all the way down to the gym. All right, so this is my room. So a little bit on the messy side because I just woke up from a nap, but it's getting organized. So we oversee the beautiful pool, backyard, everything. Then this is where shit gets kind of crazy. You have a ginormous bathroom with a ginormous fucking closet. But it's not just ×1, it's fucking ×2. You have the same thing, but ×2. You guys can look it over here. Then you have the whole entire thing this way. And by the way, this is where one of the hidden doors are. Look, so this right here, private access, right? This is the hidden door, can't go in. But look, like literally, get closer so like they can feel like the solidness. So you have 3 locks here, 2 locks here, 2 locks here, 2 and 2. So when they lock it, it literally boom, and it's literally like, look at this. You're not breaking in through the store at any given point.
But I'm breaking through that window though.
No, you can't, because that shit goes down too. Look, you wanna see?
Oh shit, I see it.
Yeah, that's just bulletproof too, bro. Look at this. It's the fucking craziest thing ever. So I literally clicked the button by accident, and then this shit fucking started coming down and scared the shit out of me, and I stopped it. So I'm like, all right, whatever. There's a whole rooftop section up there. honestly, don't even want to go up there. I'm gonna take you guys to the gym, which is the lit shit. Pool table here, didn't even use it one time, like didn't even use this thing at all. And this is where things get a little more confusing. There's another door in there, and there's hidden stairs this way. Look at this shit. There's hidden stairs to go up. I haven't wanted to touch it. I don't want to be that guy. I respect people's space. So this is literally a whole gym. You have like locker room section here, what it kind of looks like. And then you have the gym. So this is where I've been getting shredded for the last 2 weeks. Bro, Sensei don't got shit on my competition. So this is where pretty much I've been chopping up Sensei, hitting every single type of workout. You can tell that we're underground. It's like that's the office up there where we were at earlier. So yeah, this is the gym. Pretty full gym. You got everything you need. And after this house, I'm actually going to be getting another one like this in South Africa, in Cape Town, because we're going to be there for about 3 weeks. And then I'm going to be getting the biggest one that I've ever gotten in Dubai. I'm going to try and stay in the Palm, get one of the biggest ones, or somewhere around there. So you guys will see more videos like this. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button. Hopefully my trade can come back from being in $68,000 that I took of a loss by trading here. Hopefully I can make it back. Usually I'm making about, $3 to $500,000 a week. With training on a good week, I've been losing for about a month and a half consistently, which fucking sucks. So hopefully me trading in different time zones can actually make things back. But it's kind of just like a little house tour. Show you guys like a raw version of what living with me kind of would be in a way, because obviously I'm with all the boys, the whole team is here. And I don't know, thought it'd be kind of cool. Maybe you guys would like it. But if you guys want to see more videos like this, and you guys like this concept, make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button, comment down below. And let me know who do you think is going to win the challenge, me or Sensei? Who the fuck do you think is going to win?
I mean, bro, you already have abs, so.
Thank you, bro.
Literally just losing weight.
I needed that, thank you. All right, see you guys in the next video.